You probably want a ceremony that fits your own personal style and taste. You may want it religious or completely civil. You have 4 different ceremonies from which to choose. The first 2 choices are overtly religious, while the last 2 can be completely civil or still provide some religious references. You may be one of those couples who want to keep it very simple. Just tell us what ceremony you want, and we would do the rest. Or you can pick your own readings, enhancements, and special touches, whatever works for you. Whatever the case, you will find our video very helpful. It shows you exactly how the ceremony will go and flow. Discovering how easy it is will relieve a great deal of your anxiety. We also make ourselves available for a consultation to discuss any questions and details. Our goal is to give you and your guest a beautiful ceremony. To receive your copy of the Ceremony Planning Kit, just fill out the inquiry form on the homepage of our website. Thank you.